Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. Let's have some fun. How are you with puzzles? In fact, how are you with anagrams? Would you like to try and guess what's in this rather heavy box? Well, I'm going to give you a few clues and you can try and guess. And of course, I will put the answer in the description box below this video, but try not to cheat. Have a go. But first of all, let's get out of the heat of this blazing hot sun into the shade of the apple tree. We are having a really hot spell in the UK at the moment. They're calling it a heat wave, and I'm not surprised, and the shade of this tree is really welcome. Now, I've positioned the box so that you can't see what is written on the sides. Of course, I already know what's in the box because I was offered what's in the box to review, and I accepted it because it's a particularly good product for gardening. That's not the clue I'm going to give you. I went to ChatGPT and I asked it to come up with some anagrams based on the letters in the name of this product, and it's come up with 3. They will appear on the screen in a moment. I very often get sent things to review, and what I have to do is I have to give my honest opinion, open the box, assemble the product, read the instructions, and then demonstrate it and give my opinion. And that's what I'm going to do. And so you will find the link to that video, the opening and the review, in the description box below this one. You'll also find the answer to the anagrams in the description box below this video. Right. ChatGPT came up with 3 anagrams, and 2 of them actually were quite pertinent to gardening. I've chosen the best ones and I'm going to give them to you. I will also put them on the screen as I read them out, because sometimes it's easier to solve an anagram if you see them, isn't it? And I will also give you a screen with all the letters on it, because when I'm solving an anagram, I write all the letters randomly and it sometimes makes the word appear. So I'll do that as well for you. So have a go, but try not to cheat. It would be very easy and very tempting to go straight to the description box below this video to have a look what it is. Right, here are the anagrams. Number 1. Wormer slows candles. Wormer. That's gardening, isn't it? That's the first one, and that will have appeared on the screen and will now disappear. The second one is clowns redraw lemons. Lemons. That's gardening, isn't it? So you've had 2 of the 3 now. And the third one is slower crowns medal. Isn't ChatGPT amazing that it's come up with 3 anagrams made out of the letters of this product? Right, in a moment I'm going to put them all on the screen, randomly dispersed on a white background, so that hopefully you can have a go. You can even pause it if you want, can't you? But do go and have a look in the description box below. Please don't spoil it for everyone by typing the answer in the comments. And of course, because the company that have sent me this have supported me, please do have a look at the video where I unbox and review this wonderful thing. Right, get solving puzzles, have a look in the description box, and I'll see you soon for some more anagram adventures. Bye.